In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly beginner mistakes to avoid. We're starting on the official Formly website, where you can get a quick sense of what the platform is designed to do. Formly is a form builder focused on creating professional-looking forms, surveys, quizzes, and lead capture experiences without needing technical skills. In this walkthrough, I'll cover its features, ease of use, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it's worth trying. And if you decide you want to test it yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. From the homepage, click the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. This is a good moment to notice how simple the onboarding feels. Formly currently promotes a free option, and at this stage, no credit card is required, which makes it easy for beginners to explore the platform before committing. Once logged in, head to the main dashboard. This is where you can create new forms, open existing ones, check responses, and manage settings. You don't need to spend too much time on every menu right away. The goal is just to understand the general layout so you know where the core tools live. Next, create a simple sample form and test the builder. Add a few different question types so you can see how flexible it is. You'll also want to explore the customization tools, including branding options and layout choices. Formly supports multiple form layouts and a wide range of question types, so this is where you start to see how polished your forms can look. After that, open the AI-powered form creation feature. Type in a short description of the kind of form you want, let Formly generate it, and then review the suggested questions and structure. This is useful because it can save time compared with building everything manually, especially if you need a starting point fast. Now test logic and personalization by creating a simple conditional path. For example, one answer can determine which question appears next. If available, show branching and personalization features as well. Formly supports conditional logic, branching variables, scoring, and calculations, which can be especially helpful for lead qualification, surveys, quizzes, and customer intake forms. Then check the integration section and review the available connected apps and automation options, including tools like Google Sheets. Integrations help reduce manual data entry and make it easier to move responses into your existing workflow. If it fits your use case, look at payment functionality too. Formly supports Stripe integration and can adjust payment options based on responses, but viewers should always check current plan requirements before relying on a specific payment feature. Open the Analytics or Results area to see how responses are displayed, including charts and insights. Then review notification settings so users can receive submission alerts and customize response-related emails. Before wrapping up, open the pricing page and review the current plans. Formly currently offers a free option, with paid plans including Silver at $19 per month and Gold at $29 per month, plus annual billing options. Since pricing can change, always use the official page instead of older third-party sources. Overall, the main strengths here are beginner-friendly setup, AI assistance, professional design, logic and personalization, analytics, integrations, automation, Stripe payments, and a free starting option. On the downside, some advanced features may require a paid plan, customization may not suit every highly specific brand need, and businesses with complex workflows should double-check integrations and compare pricing with alternatives. Compared with tools like Google Forms and Typeform, Formly stands out for design, AI capabilities, logic, and workflow features, while other platforms may appeal more depending on simplicity, budget, or ecosystem preferences. My final verdict is that Formly is worth using for people who want polished forms and automation without a steep learning curve. If that sounds like you, you can try it using the affiliate link in the description.